A lava river flows from the Mount Etna. Mount Etna is the biggest volcano probably in the Europe. It's a subduction of the African plate under the Eurasian plate created this beautiful scenery, island of Sicily. And it is a stratovolcano on top of a shield volcano which was there previously. And at the moment it erupts in the stratovolcano way. It has a lot of effusive eruption, especially in the night. It looks very impressive. From the space, you can see the ash cloud when it is rises. Earlier this year, we had this eruption from one of the main vents of it, and this was quite explosive. It released a lot of pyroclastics, and the lava flow was actually a subsidiary of that later flowing, and this is now the predominant phase of the eruption from the Etna. We don't have that explosive one. Just we have a vent on the side, parasitic vent, erupting lava, gently flowing toward the lower ground, and also moving toward the sea, Mediterranean Sea. And this is the lava flow that, as I mentioned, it forms mostly the kind of lava. But you can see some ropey one, poi hoi also sometimes. It has a lot of sulfur around when it erupts. This is a main form of eruption is through those flows and also through these lava tubes, as you can see.